Are you up for going rural?
Yeah.
Let's do it. It's a lovely day. There's some ice left over from this morning, so you've got to be a little bit careful.
Yeah. If you enjoy watching our videos, please just hit the subscribe button and it will do us such a good favour.
And it'll really make our channel grow.
Does it really anger you when people go slow? Because I just know I'd get so frustrated.
Yes. It's my pet hate, slow driving.
You'd rather be going slow and careful than dangerous.
Slow moves with the road. You know, 30 in the town centre. It'll be fast if you like that. 30 in the town centre is fast, 30 in the motorway will be slow. That little bit.
Yeah.
Later. Okay. Third gear. No, I heard it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Okay, fourth gear then, straight back, together gear change, boom. Now then, we'll keep it full for the moment, and when we go around the hill, if it's nice and clear, we will go a little bit faster and we'll take it up to fifth gear. And we're going to build up our confidence with speed. Feels like you're holding that steering wheel a little bit on the tight side.
Maybe.
Ease off it. Just ease off. You've got a corner coming up. Slow down. Take some speed out. That's it. Just a little bit. Just hold back so you can see what you're driving into. Yeah. Otherwise, you might as well shut your eyes or put a bucket on your head and paint some eyes on the front. So we're going to go down here. Okay. A little bit of gas. And now very calmly, and I mean calmly, just push into fifth, push it to the right and forward into fifth gear for me. Just focus on staying front. Go for it. Well, that's not. There you are. That's third gear. That's third gear. Bring it back to fourth. So you've gone fifth. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Did you notice the twitching of the steering wheel?
Yeah.
That's because you're holding it so tight. You're right-handed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're pushing on it with tension. As soon as you came off, you did that.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do when we go along the main road very shortly is I'm going to ask you to drive with one hand just to show you how light you can hold the steering wheel. Just bring yourself out. I'll tell you when to change gear. Go faster, faster. Hear it. Gear change. Fourth gear. Straight back. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Faster, 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 faster. Faster. Try and hold that steering wheel a bit less. It's a cheaper toothpaste upside down with the lid off. All right. Now you're going to push it very calmly to your kneecap, right and up, together. Off the gas pedal in between. Though. Just remember that's it. Off the. So you just got to lift off the gas. Otherwise the power's got nowhere to go. I'll go a bit faster. Now take your left hand off the steering wheel for me, please. Move over quite a bit. That's it. No, don't just put your finger. That's it. Just move across there. Steer it. So you can keep it in a straight line with one hand on the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Take your right hand off.
I feel safer doing this. Just my left hand on because my left hand isn't trying to move as much as my right hand does. It's just
well, there we go. Put your right hand back on. Go a little bit faster. That's nice. Move away from. Look at your left mirror. Have you once checked your left mirror to see how far you are?
Yes.
Because you're staring ahead. No, just bring it out a little bit. Your road goes all the way out to the middle. You don't have to cower away on the side with cars. Don't you worry. Down the middle there's a dark stripe. Imagine that dark stripe is going between us. It should feel like your left leg or your shoulder's in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
And you'll find that the line on the side of the road is going through the bonnet at a certain point.
Yeah.
That should fix basically your 3 references there, or of course you can use the left mirror. No, you don't come off the gas a bit, you're now speeding. Just a thought. There we go, back to 60. I like your enthusiasm. Back to fourth gear, so straight back. Gear change, no braking, no braking, straight back, fourth gear, 3, 2, 1. Speed and gear, for the steer, lock a junction. Round we go. We do speed and gear for the junction, then accelerate away.
You said that like a poem.
Oh, we know, my cliches. Into third gear. Everyone thinks that, it's really weird. That's first gear. Middle, straight up, just straight forward. Now, if you didn't hold the gear stick, it wouldn't be able to move left or right.
Yeah.
So it's just. Suppose you're pushing someone. It was a pathetic push. That's all it needs to be.
Yeah.
Just come off the gas pedal. Gently on the brake. Do the steer, left hand. That's it.
Yeah,
now on this.
You just decided you didn't.
Yeah, I had enough. I like that. bit flighty. A little bit of gas.
Oncoming vehicles in the middle of the road.
Yeah, but there's not, is there?
Why would they be?
Well, there's a tight corner up there, so someone might swing out. So we got the checker mirror centre right. A little bit faster. Ready? Right. With determination, off we go. Keeping the car straight. Calmly bring your hand down first of all. Gear change. Straight back. together. 3, 2, 1, back on the gas. It's like walking. I've seen you walk. You're fine.
Yeah.
Right, 5th gear, go. Kneecap head change. Push into your kneecap. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Now then, when you get around this corner, we're going to bring it up to 6th gear. This time, feel like you're going to pull it into your hip bone. So you come around here, no need to brake, a little bit fast, up to 60. Go on, put your foot down. So any speed. Gear change, looking ahead.
Yeah.
Focus on there. Hand comes down first. So brilliant. So if you put your hand down first, your hand will steady itself just for the gear. If you do that, foot down. If you put the clutch down first, your brain goes, catch up. It's all wobbly. That's what happened the first time. Right, put your foot down a bit, so you're going faster. Now when we come into the 30, I want one gear change to 5th gear, and then we're going to slow it up and be 5 to 3. So I'm not going to do 6 to 3. Yeah, gently on the brake, drop at the 5th first of all. 5th gear, push it up, 3, 2, 1 off the clutch, keep braking, and then 5 to 3, backwards and forwards gear change, loosely, 3, 2, 1 off the clutch. Brilliant. Now these roads are salted, it's the main road.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not going on the sub roads today. You're doing a really good job today.
Thank you. I thought so too.
Good. And it's good to pick yourself up. The other thing is, in the steering wheel, if you want to think of it like a bicycle in the tube, just hold it so you don't squeeze the air out. Or pedestrian crossing.
Yeah. I know, we've just not had traffic lights.
No,
yet.
we're going to do it next week in town centres.
So that sounds fun.
It's going to be amazing. So again, change of speed, check and check.
Yeah.
Up to 4th gear, together, 3, 2, 1, backing, so it's like floating gears.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, very slow, 37. So this is where people get frustrated and do stupid overtakes.
I'm not overtaken.
He's all over the place.
Maybe he's been day drinking.
I hope not. He's living. Oh my god. So this is why I get so frustrated with slow driving, and that's just going to frustrate people into doing overtakes. There can be cars coming. Just go at the speed so you can stop in the distance. You can see ahead, and obviously allow for anything that could reasonably develop.
I actually hope people don't think this is me driving.
Well, this is the problem.
Slow.
This is the problem. It's them.
Stereotype.
And this is why I hate learners going where it's not ready for, going slowly. It doesn't do anyone any favours whatsoever. Well, you didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
So I was trying to make it simple for you. It's called a telehandler. Big, nice and straight. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, if he's turning, so gently on the brake. Choose a better gear than this now. 2nd gear maybe. Off the brake, ease off the clutch. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now then, we're going to go down there and turn around. We're going to be taking this golf course. Take the next left, please. Not this left, that one here.
This one.
Yeah. There is a second. Brilliant. So nice and slow. Speed and gear. Do the steer. Line of sight. Gas and go. Hang out here.
What are all those big bumps?
They're called speed humps. What, these bumps?
Yeah.
Oh, it's when you have a
I know
concrete
what a
road.
speed bump is.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
wasn't
not that
right.
stupid. You've done this on purpose. I've got to take one hand off the steering wheel
You
to...
can see that speed on there. See, the shadows is really difficult, isn't it? You've got to be so careful.
Yeah.
Don't go too excited down this road because we're going to be turning left face soon. Move away from the curb. You can see, it's hard to see it, isn't it?
What is the noise? That keeps going?
That's Waze going, you're going the wrong way. Right, you can go a little bit faster. The golf club's down there actually, so you can go a little bit faster. Go to 4th gear. So straight back. 3, 2, 1. Person behind know where you're going, you're going to be turning left. Now it's important here we stay on the brake, don't brake too soon. That's it, gently on the brake, change gear but stay braking, it'll run away, keep braking. Now you've come off the brake, ease off, ease off, ease off. Now did you see there, you started the brake and it wasn't a consistent brake.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.